In this video, we will guide you on how to perform a WHOIS lookup directly from the Windows command prompt. A WHOIS lookup allows you to find the registration details of a domain name, including the owner, registration dates, and more. This process is simple and does not require any third-party software. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open command. Prompt. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD without quotes, and press Enter. This will open the command prompt window. Step 2. Check if WHOIS command is available by default. Windows doesn't have a built-in WHOIS tool. To check if it's available, type the following command and press Enter, nginx whois. If you see an error like whois is not recognized or command not found, you need to install WHOIS on your system. Step 3. Install WHOIS tool, if necessary. If the WHOIS command is not available on your system, you can download it from a third-party provider. Here's how you can install it. Download the WHOIS utility from a reliable source, e.g., whois.exe. Place the downloaded file in your System32 folder or another folder that's included in your system's path variable. Restart your command prompt or open a new one. Step 4. Perform the WHOIS lookup. Once the WHOIS tool is installed and accessible, you can now use it. To look up a domain, simply type CSS WHOIS, domain name. For example, to look up google.com, type nginx whois google.com, press Enter, and the WHOIS information for the domain will be displayed. Step 5. Review the WHOIS information. The output will provide a detailed report that includes registrar information, the company managing the domain, registrant contact information, the domain owner's contact details, if not private. Domain status indicates whether the domain is active or expired. Important dates, creation, expiration, and last updated dates. Step 6. Advanced WHOIS lookup options. Some advanced options you can try. You can specify a specific WHOIS server to query by using the following syntax: CSS WHOIS, WHOIS server, domain. For example, nginx whois, whois.verisignGRS.com, google.com. You can also use the V option for more verbose output in some WHOIS tools. Step 7. Interpret the results. The data from WHOIS may contain useful information like the domain's owner or organization, registration details, who registered the domain, when and where, DNS information, domain status, whether it's locked, expired, or active. Conclusion. Performing a WHOIS lookup from the Windows command prompt is an essential skill for anyone needing to access domain registration details. Whether you're troubleshooting website issues or conducting research, the WHOIS command provides valuable insight. Follow the steps outlined in this guide to quickly obtain WHOIS data with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.